10 a.m. I kid you not. I was looking everywhere for this mic. It was on top of my case. I wanted to mock pack real quick this bag right over here and kind of get an idea of what it's gonna be like. Bunch of clothes in here. Some packing cubes are ready to go. Stick that right there. Let's see. I have a pair of like really nice Adidas shoes that I really like. They're kind of like dress-up shoes, but other than that, I'm gonna stick them here. On the plane, I'm gonna wear my biggest, bulkiest shoes. That means I need to put my Crocs in here. Let me grab a plastic bag. All right, so Crocs take up a crap ton of space. All right, so there's that in there. Always bring these. These are tissue papers. Sometimes when you're eating in restaurants, they don't... Oh, this is a disposable bag just in case. Just like throwing stuff in as we go. But if you eat at restaurants or you like sometimes you need to use the bathroom, they don't give you toilet paper in certain countries, which is fine. Swimsuit. I have what? I don't know, some medication. Antibiotics. I got a knee infection one time randomly, so I said, screw that. I have some antibiotics. AirTag. You will go inside here. 16 kilograms. I get another 7 kilograms, so about 14 pounds, more than enough. My clothes, I'm going to plan out all my clothes, wash all the clothes tomorrow. I wanted to film content for the gym, but like, pretty nervous. Hey. Alright, we're going to make a track on my face so freaking follows. Gym time. Just got parked up at the gym. Dude, today's weather is absolutely gorgeous. How's the camera so close? It's pretty nervous. Filming the gym there. The weather is so beautiful today. All right, gym session done for today. I think I could have done a little better, but it is what it is. You know, like Asians are kind of the ones that are like study, go to school, or like inherit the family. Like nobody's going out doing this random shit, you know?
Asian, it's always the white people.
It's always the white people.
Yeah, it's always the white.
Yeah, like the old white dude were going out, but I was like, bro, let me fucking show the Asian guy that doesn't speak a lick of fucking Chinese and send him out over there. And just like, it's just funny, dude. I was like, holy shit. But right now it's just like focused on like being comfortable with the camera. Like, dude, I was so nerve-wracked to fucking film at the gym today. I sat at my home and I was like, was talking to the camera. I was like, man, I usually don't have a problem with going to the gym, but like, I was like freaking nervous. I was like, why am I so nervous? Like I was like, fuck it. We're going to the gym. We're filming. I'm like, screw it.
That's true. Yeah, that's never like
And I'm like sitting there trying to like talk to it every now and then. I was like, do I talk now or do I just work the fuck out, you know? But if I put myself in your shoes, I'm like, probably a lot of people feel kind of similar ways sometimes, you know? Camera, no! Gonna watch the new Mario movie today. Watching with a friend. But yeah, this is my long time friend since high school, basically. I'm old. I'm 32 now, so we have recliners. Ooh, we like that.
Not the vibe.
This is the U.S.
Dad, the toilet
theater experience. Oh,
This gives me a week's supply of cupcakes.
so much sodium. We love that. Just spending some time with friends and family. After the movie today, we just went to a Chinese buffet. Enjoy the food pictures. I needed to get some protein in, so I didn't really eat anything too crazy.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
Ooh, buffet. 2650 calories, 250 grams of protein. There was times I was like talking to the camera and I was just sitting there like into my seat. I was just like, what the fuck do I talk to this thing? And I was going off topic a lot of times too. Like I'll be talking about life, and I was like, you know, why I'm leaving to China or Asia or where the hell I'm going, you know, what's the plan, investments. I was like, what am I talking about? Like, and then I was like, okay, Keenan, we gotta bring some kind of value to the viewer, you know? Like, I spent 1,000 hours looking up laptops, so you don't have to. Here's the best laptop for this situation, you know? Or something like, you know, like you would watch that, right?
Yeah, well, it's clickbait, yeah.
Yeah, like just crazy, because I actually did. And I was like, dude, I'm totally fine. I'm not trying to make any money from YouTube. I'm just doing this because I enjoy sitting there, like, editing videos, spending my time not playing video games, you know? It's just like, this is sick. Or I just want to share my life about, like, I want to keep memories of myself from my fat self losing weight, or like my differences from going to Asia versus here, you know, or like if I, like the goal is 7 months. I'm like, where would I be in 7 months? Let's film it and find out, you know? And I was like, that's more interesting than like I got to put in today. Today I was so hungry. I was like, I definitely ate more calories than I should have, but it was a good day, you know? Well, I think I'm also a little stressed out from moving, like,
Yeah, across the world, holy shit.
I was there for 10 years, dude.
Yeah.
I lived in that house, it feels like 10 years.
Yeah,
I piled a massage chair in there, TVs, fucking, like, I had the beautiful desk, the nice chair, like, the bed, like, queen-size bed, you know. I had a workout room. I was like, dude, like, fucking get rid of all this shit. I'm sick of it. Get me out of here. I just want to experience something, I guess, different. I don't know. It was interesting. But I kind of want to inspire, if I could, I want to inspire, like, even you, like, kind of figure out, like, what's your 2-year plan? You know, what do you want to do, you know? And, like, maybe see something you didn't know that you want to do, you know? Maybe you and your wife want to move to Asia. Part of me kind of wishes I, like, walked through that. If you ever saw it back there, they have, like, the lights and everything and, like, a walking thing.
Oh, no.
It's like a Mill Creek. I was like, oh, dude, if I had a girlfriend, I'd take her there and, like, spend a day, like, a Sunday afternoon with her there.
Oh, there, no, American there.
But there's never been a reason I needed to leave my house other than for the gym or for food. I'm not into concerts, though. I found that out, like, going to, you know, I listen to NF all the time. And I went to his
I don't like
concert.
concerts, I don't.
It's kind of boring, dude.
Yes, I've been to one, like, oh, it's so boring.
It's just not for me. I was like, I can just listen, like I really appreciate, like, the effort of the artist. I think it's amazing that they're living their dreams and putting effort out there. But, like, for me, I'm like, dude, headphones are amazing these days. It sounds just as good on a headphone, or if not better sometimes.
It's better.
So I was like, I need to go do something with my life. Like, I can't just go to like, I gotta be productive, you know? I was like, this is not the life. I don't care to go to I was like, dude, this is why I love being single sometimes. Like, some girls want to get with me, and I'm just like, dude, it doesn't seem like I'd spend my time in the way I want to spend it if I'm with a girl. So I'm like, this is sick, you know? If you don't want to drink that water, I'll take it. But no, you should drink it. You should drink it. Yeah, keep yourself hydrated. Yeah, keep yourself hydrated. Get a nice back workout in tomorrow because I won't be working out for up to the 11th. I'm going to head straight to Hong Kong and then Vietnam. Like and subscribe, or I always wanted to say that. Anyway, have a nice night, everybody.